Alright, I recently uploaded a short for the cold start for this baby, but today, I'm talking about my 2nd gen Ram. The problem, see that? All that steering wheel sway? How we're gonna fix that is over here, down this little area, if it'll focus. Yeah. That right there is the steering gear. A lot of Dodges have this problem where you have to adjust the steering gear. For this particular model, got a 5/8 wrench and a 3/16 hex. So what we're gonna do is gonna take this wrench, put it right on top of that bolt, like so. We'll take the hex, and on top of that bolt, come on, there's a little hex. Because that screw that the bolt is on, not bolt, nut, the screw the nut is on, can be adjusted, and that strengthens the tension between the gears, allowing for tighter or looser steering. You'll notice wheels are straight. Steering wheel, it's a little crooked. So when I adjust it, it'll straighten it out. Last time I did it too much, and it went like that. But either way, you only want to adjust it a little bit, like a fraction of an inch. Because with this, a little bit goes a long way. So you'll want to adjust it a little bit, take it for a test drive, see how it is, and go from there. If it's still not tight enough for you, do it a little bit tighter, but you don't want to over tighten it because that'll break the gears in there. And nobody wants that. You'll just have a bad time from that. So yeah, little hex, wrench. See if I can position this. Oh, hey bud, how's it going? Shit. Try and get this situated so I can show you what to do. Okay. So you'll see put that on there. You'll want to hold this in place as best you can while you get that undone. That fell off. Oh, there goes the phone. Okay, so get that right there. Put that in. This is just at a bad angle. Okay. So, just like that. Got it loose. Now I'm going to tighten it just a touch. Literally just a fraction of an inch. Now, hold it in place while I tighten it back up. Just like so. And that's all it takes. Well, I'll be looking for that later. That's all it takes to fix that steering wheel sway. Now, I will say this isn't a permanent fix. Yeah, see? Much, much better. It's not a permanent fix. If you want a permanent fix, there's this website called Redheads. You can put in the make and model of your Dodge or Jeep, and they'll send you a modified steering gear that has the original factory housing, so you know it'll fit, and have higher quality parts that'll make it to where you don't ever have to adjust that down there. You just install it and forget it. And if you like off-roading, they could put 2 more ports in there for a hydraulic assist steering. But I'm gonna go take this out for a test drive and see if I need to tighten it or loosen it. Yeah, that's really all there is to that. I know this is a little different from the normal content I upload, but this is some really well-known, well needed to know information for this style of vehicle, for these Dodge Rams. Thanks for watching.